She has survived this encounter, but this is just one of the many obstacles she must face each day. The wooden gate provides just enough shelter for her to assess her surroundings, but not all is what it seems. She's done it, speeding back to the stable. Luckily, all is well. Tucked up safe and warm, her pups are just as she left them. Against all odds, she's made it back in one piece. Despite the dangers she faced, her maternal instincts gave her the drive and determination to continue.